connecting nature to home. Raw power. The loader, capable of hoisting 20 tons, must place the timber with pinpoint precision to ensure the load is balanced for transport.
We need to move the P6 stack by 1400.
Acknowledged. Rerouting heavy lifter 7 now.
Engage the clamps. Secure the core.
Clamps locked. Stand by for rotation.
Check the edge on this one. Looks clear, send it through.
The tall stack of plywood entering a pre-press to squeeze out air, the stack compressing slowly. The tall stack of plywood entering a pre-press to squeeze out air, the stack compressing slowly.
In this hyper-realistic environment, the automated process transforms raw materials into modern designs with unparalleled accuracy.
You see how the natural oil highlights the grain. It's about preserving the wood's natural beauty.
The natural oil penetrates deep into the walnut, enhancing the grain and providing a durable, highly reflective finish.
And then he actually said that right to the boss.
I can't believe it. You're serious.
Dad, that's hilarious.